What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Moonbuilt Garage. So about 10 months ago, I did a video where I repaired the UConnect system on my 2017 Dodge Charger RT. So I thought I would just do a quick little follow-up video to show you guys just how well it's held up. Let me show you. So if you've got one of these 8.4 UConnect systems in your Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, there's a pretty well documented case of a lot of people having issues where the screen starts to bubble. It starts to get a separation between the touch screen and the actual stereo screen itself. And what it does, it causes ghost touches. So I thought I would just make a quick short video to show what is going on with my 2017 Dodge Charger. I just spoke with Chrysler and I realized that I have 65,000 miles on this car and therefore I don't have a warranty on it anymore. But this is due to a manufacturing defect. There is unfortunately here you can't see it, but right in this area there's a huge delamination in my screen, which now my entire stereo is unusable, which means my nav, where it just starts to randomly like wig out, select stations, change settings, whatever. Mine actually was randomly changing radio stations, but I actually also tried to call 911 a couple of times. So I actually did a shorts video showing that, I think. But I did a video where I did the repair, and a real simple repair where you basically pull the stereo out, remove the digitizer, which is the touch screen, and clean all that glue off between there. I'll link to that video up here. Again, it's a real simple fix. As long as you're careful, take your time, and just pay attention to what you're doing. It's not difficult. A lot of people have repaired their own systems and not gone to the dealer and paid, $1,000 or more to have their system replaced. So that video is actually done fairly well, and a lot of people have been able to repair their UConnect systems. But I've gotten questions about, well, is it a temporary repair? Is it going to last? How does it look? So I thought I would do a follow-up and give you guys a close-up view as far as how this thing's going, how it's working, and what it looks like. So let me bring you closer to the radio and I'll show you how it still looks. So like I said, it's been 10 months since I repaired my UConnect. As you can see, it looks fine. To me, it looks a little more matte. It may not have as much of a gloss look to it. It looks kind of matte, which doesn't bother me at all. And it could just be me. As far as the functionality, I mean, everything works as normal. It doesn't just randomly push buttons. It doesn't, not register button pushes. The only thing that I really notice, in certain lights, you can maybe see fingerprints a little bit more because of that matte look to it. But overall, I mean, like I said, it's been 10 months and this thing has never done another ghost touch, never wigged out, never had any kind of issues. So I would say overall, this has been a successful fix. So if you have questions about, does it work? Does it last? Here's a 10-month review of doing the repair. Works perfect. Almost looks good as new. So there you go, guys. Just a real quick, 10-month review as to how well my repair of my 8.4 UConnect system has held up in my 2017 Charger RT. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you on the next one.